Conversation 1. How do you like the city?
So how do you like Hong Kong?
I love it. I'm having a great time. I'm so glad I came to study here. What do you think of Hong Kong?
I love the stores and shopping for clothes.
I like the cultural events too, all the concerts and art shows.
But the traffic is pretty bad.
Yeah, I hate all the traffic. It's really noisy. But every large city has traffic, you know?
Listen, it's almost lunchtime. There are lots of restaurants around here. What kind of food do you want to eat? Vietnamese, Thai, Italian, Mexican?
I can't stand making decisions. You choose.
Okay, let's have Vietnamese. We can have vegetarian dumplings and banh hoi.
Conversation 2. I love sightseeing.
This bus tour looks great. We can see the city in one day. I love bus tours.
Really? I can't stand bus tours. There's too much traffic for them.
Well, you told me the shopping here is really good. What do you think of going shopping for shoes?
Yes, you can get some real bargains, but I don't like those big shopping centers.
Neither do I.
How about going to the bird park? I love nature parks.
Yeah, so do I. But we only have one day. So let's go to the museum. We'll get a chance to see art that is never in the U.S.
Good idea. And maybe there's a bus tour in the evening when there's not as much traffic. I know you love sightseeing.
Let's check it out.